In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another account Microsoft Teams. By the end, you'll be able to switch between work, school, or personal accounts without signing out, which saves time and keeps your chats and meetings organized. First, open Microsoft Teams on your PC or laptop. You can use the desktop app or the web version, either works. Make sure you're already signed in to your primary account so you can see your usual chats and teams. If your app looks outdated or things don't match what you see here, it's a good idea to update to the latest version so the menus and icons line up. Next, look to the top right corner of Teams for your profile. This is the small circle with your photo or initials. Click it to open your account menu. This menu is where you manage your status, settings, and, importantly for today, connected accounts. In that profile menu, find the small person icon with a plus sign. This is the Add Account option. Click it. If you hover over it, you might see a label that confirms it's for adding another account. If you don't see the icon, your organization may have restricted multiple accounts or your app may need an update. Close and reopen Teams or check for updates, and if it still doesn't appear, your admin might need to enable it. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see an option that says Use Another Account. Select that. Teams will prompt you to sign into the new account. Enter the credentials for the additional work, school, or personal account and complete any verification, such as multi-factor authentication if it's required. Once you finish, Teams will connect that account alongside your current one. From here, switching is simple. Open your profile menu again and you'll see both accounts listed. Click the one you want to use and Teams will switch views to that account's chats, teams, meetings, and notifications. Each account keeps its own settings and status so you can be available in one and do not disturb in another. If notifications feel noisy, open settings from your profile in each account and adjust them separately to match your preferences. A quick tip: if you work across organizations, naming your accounts clearly and adding profile photos helps you avoid posting in the wrong place. And if you're using the browser, keeping different accounts in separate browser profiles can make notifications more predictable. That's it. You've added another account to Microsoft Teams and can switch between them whenever you need. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.